Hey guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome back to my channel, Life's a Project. Now I have my Amaryllis bulbs here that I shared with you in a past video, planting them up. I shared with you how to choose the right container, the right potting mix, and also how to care for your bulbs. So if that sounds helpful to you and you missed that video, go back and check it out. So today I just want to add a little top dressing to these containers to give them a nice finished look. So you're not just looking at this potting mix here around the bulb, it'll make it look a little nicer. Now you can use several things as a top dress when you want to cover up your soil to make it look a whole lot nicer. And those things are some Spanish moss like this, and you can purchase this. I got this from the Dollar Tree. This whole bag for $1. You can see here you can use it as a soil covering for potted plants and things like that, floral arrangements, craft projects. It's just really good to have. Now when I planted these up, I didn't have any on hand, so when I was out at the Dollar Tree, I just purchased some. Again, $1 for this whole bag. It'll be more than enough for these 2 containers. Now, if you can't get your hands on some Spanish moss, you can also use pine cones, little rock stones or pebbles, something like that. You can also use. So it's just really simple here. You just take some out, just grab some. It gets a little messy. You just pull some off here and you just add it around. You just kind of tuck it in there like that. Just so it covers up that soil, gives it a nice finished look, but you can still see, you know, anything going on with the bulb there at the top. And I think that looks really nice. Now I can go ahead and finish off this other one. So guys, I think these look so much better with the Spanish moss here at the top. It's a little messy, like I said, but well worth it. I just think it gives it a nice finished look, especially when you're waiting for your bulbs to produce some growth. You want it to look really nice. Now, if you remember back, this one is called Red Peacock. It produces beautiful red flowers, and it had no growth when I first planted it up, but in just 15 short days, you can see some growth here at the top. So that's really exciting. Now this one here is called Amaryllis Marquis, a beautiful white amaryllis. So it'll have beautiful white flowers. And when I purchased this from Walmart, it was a little short growth at the top of the bulb. And now you can see beautiful flower stalks. It has grown so much in just 15 short days. Now when I first planted these up on December the 12th, I watered them in really well. Now after that, I've only watered them one more time in that 15-day stretch. And so I probably won't water them again until the soil is looking a little dry. You want to make sure you don't overwater your bulbs. But once you start seeing that green growth really starting to produce and things really starting to happen, you want to make sure that you are watering them consistently, keeping them moist, just not too moist and soggy. Well guys, I guess that's it for this video. Let me know if you're growing amaryllis down in the comment section below. If you like this video and it's helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I hope to share with you updates later on when these bloom out. It's just really exciting. And guys, I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you later. Bye. Now today I'm just adding a little top dressing to these containers. Now you can do that really simply and easily and really inexpensively. A lot of these.